All right, I thought I'd show how we set up the stream. You know, right here between the audio and then the camera switcher, there's a couple iPads. One's a music iPad. The other is the stream control iPad. And this iPad, we tried to put little zebra marks around or whatever. We need to get a different color. But it actually connects to that SlingStudio box, which then is connected via Ethernet hardwire to our network. But it does use Wi-Fi to connect from this iPad down there. So first wake it up, press it again, and there's actually a SlingStudio icon that you click on that'll load. Seems like it's being upside down. Connect to it. It'll actually connect to that hotspot, basically, that box is connecting out. I did indeed see that when I was down there that the blue light's on and solid, so it should be broadcasting out. Once it connects, if we have our switching computer up, and you should be able to see, you know, what the output I'm outputting. If the switcher is set up with routing correctly, then my stream should indeed show the same thing. Down on the iPad, you see that actual screen. You say, yes, it's all working. You say, great, now I can select on these little three lines right over here. So I'm going to do project settings. It's going to be a live broadcast. We set the destination to a YouTube. Let's create a new event. You say on the title, there's kind of a specific order that we've been doing it. There's actually a shortcut, and I just have it as ACC1, and it creates a shortcut basically to show you kind of the format. Antioch CS, Sunday service, and then the date. Right now the date's very wrong, so we go June 13th, 2021. Now for the description, we can actually do it a little bit longer so that people don't know what Antioch CS is, so that we can actually do the shortcut ACC2. And what it does is it has the Antioch Community Church, College Station, Sunday service, and then we still do the same thing with the date, June 13th, 2021. Now, the privacy for a service actually is going to be public. And, you know, if you might do a funeral or things like that, it might be private. I leave the video resolution as its default. And here's the date. You say, I'm going to start that on June 13th. And I'm going to start it at 10 a.m. See, what does this do? This creates a placeholder on YouTube waiting for a stream. And you say, create. Now, YouTube created basically a placeholder. It's waiting for a stream to be initiated. We can actually do save, get out of this mode. It's waiting for the Sunday service for us to go live, and I'm not going to do it right now, but if you click to go live, you could then say live, and it would start pushing packets out to YouTube. That's how we set it up. A lot of times I go ahead and set up a viewing link over on this side to view what we're watching. It really can't be done on this computer because this computer has an audio output that goes to the mixer, which then goes to their ears. So in order to view it, you need to use your phone or some other kind of computer that's not connected to the soundboard, so there's no kind of feedback. But that's how we set up the stream link.